Hello, I'm Ann Novak with the Career Center of the East Baton Rouge Parish Library, and today I want to introduce you to powertofly.com, another one of our safe and reputable work from home websites. Now, let me get out of the way so that we can take a good look at the website. Power to Fly is really much more than just a job board. It is a community and it was created for women by women. But of course, the jobs that you can find through this website are for everybody, by no means only for women. But the other content that's available is geared towards women and especially women in professional and managerial level jobs. But before we get there, let's take a look. So this is our website. It has a very easy to grasp layout. If you're looking for a job, you get this right here. As with so many other job boards, you could put in a job title or a keyword. Let's do human resources. And since this is our series about remote or work from home jobs, of course, we would now put in remote and we click on the search button and let's see what comes up. Now here, even though I really like this website and am a fan of it, here is one negative aspect. So I put in the keyword human resources, but you will see the first four jobs are really tech jobs, backend engineer, principal engineer. And the reason they come up here is because you see this keyword of recruitment, and recruiting is part of human resources. So the search algorithm is a little odd or has too many hits really. So you have to look closely. That is really my only negative about this website. So we have to scroll down. Now here we see real HR jobs, senior technical recruiter, strategy lead, global recruiting, VP, global diversity, HR business partner, global mobility. Now, if you look closely, you will also see something else. Look at the companies: Facebook, Dow Jones, Microsoft, Facebook. So you see, these are real heavy hitter companies. And that's one of the beauties of Power to Fly. They feature a lot of the big names in corporate America and give you a good overview over those jobs. You will see something else: VP, strategy lead, senior business partner, global program manager, global program manager. So these are more senior level positions. Now that doesn't mean that all the positions featured on this website are all at a management or VP or senior level, but a lot of them are. And a lot of other resources on this website are also geared at professional management oriented women. So that was our job search feature. Again, very intuitive. You put in your keyword, you put in location, which for us is remote, and there you see your jobs. Now, of course, you can go at this in other ways as well. You can just, if you're in marketing, you click on marketing. And again, well, now it gives me Baton Rouge since that's where I'm located, but I want to do remote. You search, and again, you will find marketing jobs. Again, you see senior manager, head of product marketing, head of skills product marketing. So again, higher level jobs. Now let's go back to the main page and look at what else we have. Here's an event tab and a blog tab and a login tab. So let's start with login. As I said earlier, this is really a community. So you can create an account, and this is where you do it, and this is where you log in. It is free of charge. There is a blog with career-related topics, work from home, diversity, inclusion, career advice. And here is a real plus. Let's take a look at the events tab. You have different kinds of events: chat and learns, So these are live events that are listed here. You have to be a member of the community. So before you can join these, you have to sign up. Different topics that you can see here. They're announced ahead of time, when they take place. Lots of them. This is so you have the chat and learns. You have panel discussions. Let's see what comes up with our panel discussions. Women tech leaders. Think big, go far. Grow your career with leaders of Invesco. Designing the next generation of government. So some of these are recorded, and some of these will be live. Request an invite. Again, you have to be a member of the community. But this looks like some really interesting stuff. Let's move down the list. Here is something that we have coming up shortly. A virtual job fair. So on September 11th, you can sign up for this virtual job fair for professional women. So as you can see, Power to Fly is a really well done, comprehensive website, mainly for women, but of course with access to the jobs for everybody. So I hope you enjoyed learning about powertofly.com. If you enjoyed this video, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Until next time.